We saw the need, especially in our area, in our community, that people couldn't get their rigs serviced for at least 18 months. And our first time we ever had to call a tech to help us, it took months for that person to come out to our RV and to get it repaired.
I've got about 30 years of experience in the Marine Corps as an infantryman the whole time. We've been living full-time in an RV for about the last 4.5 years. I always wanted to learn more about how the RV worked. I wanted to know, hey, how can I fix this? I've got my redneck education on point. I can fix stuff with baling wire and duct tape, no problem. But I wanted to learn how to do it the right way.
And the best part about this is with the NRVTA using GI Bill now, it allowed us to use the benefits to come to school and learn together, because he spent 30 years in the Marine Corps, we spent all that time apart.
The system here at NRVTA and NRVIAA, between the two of them, it works out great because it's like, here's what it looks like to know a full report. Like, think of Carfax on steroids about your RV. Here at NRVTA, when they're teaching you in a way, it's hands-on. If you're waiting for a sign or you're waiting for a signal to say, hey, it's time to come, it's time to come. There's nothing that should be stopping you. And if you're not wanting to come down here, cool. Give us a call. We'll come fix your rig for you.